Company Limited, having more than 12 years of professional export service and our own production factory, supplying a variety of cases including CD cases, cosmetic cases, jewelry boxes, first aid cases, tool cases, luggage cases, computer cases, aluminum case, and gift cases. We also run cosmetics, jewelry, toys, and office supplies at the base of doing the main products well. Our products can be tailor-made in terms of styles, materials, dimensions, printing methods, and patterns. Our products tailored for any market in any country. We work with world brand customers Bosch, Samsonite, Disney, Mary Kay, Avon, L'Oreal, etc. All of our products strictly execute Bosch quality control procedure to ensure we have experienced and professional teamwork and accessories facilities to help you create outstanding products for your own brand. We keep improving our technical force and experience in production management. Therefore, we believe that our professional staff members, high-quality products, and world-class customer services will satisfy your handicraft case needs. As such, we invite you to contact us for further business negotiation. We look forward to offering you innovative case solutions. Let us cooperate with you to enhance your brand image and meet your marketing objective.